Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox has encountered an unexpected error in memory dump. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this message appears on PC when Roblox crashes unexpectedly. This is often linked to RAM issue, corrupted files, graphics drivers or background process. So here what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So our first step is to restart the PC. The simple restart clears temporary memory and frees RAM spaces. So after that we need to close background apps. For that, please click Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Once you open the Task Manager, please untask the Roblox application and the Roblox supporting third-party applications too, like cheat code or any other supporting application. You need to close all those supporting application. Once it done, please close the task manager, and we are into the third step is to update graphic drivers. So please copy the link in the description had given for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. Based on your graphics, copy the link in the description and paste it over the browser and download as per your system specifications. Yeah, this is for Nvidia. If in case you had Nvidia application in the PC, you can directly log into your account and you can update your driver. Yeah, this is for AMD. Meanwhile, you can do for AMD too. If you had the AMD software in the PC, you can directly log into the software and you can update the driver. Or else you can open device manager. On the device manager, please find display adapter. On the display adapter, please right click your graphics driver and update it. Yeah, here it shows our driver is up to date, so no issues. Please close it. So our fourth step is to check system RAM or virtual memory. For that, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl. After that, enter into the advanced and then performance settings. Over there again press advance. If you think your RAM is not compatible to run the game, in the sense, please enter into the change and you can change the virtual memory to increase your RAM. So for that I had uploaded one of my video, please check it. So our next step, fifth step, is to run the Roblox as administrator. For that, please search Roblox and open file location. Over there, right click and enter into the properties. Then enter into compatibility and enable run the program as an administrator, and then click apply and then click OK. Yeah, so our last step is to check for Windows update. For that, you need to enter into your system settings and then update and security, or else you can enter into your Windows update, then update your system. Once it's done, please restart your system. I think it's automatically restart your system, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.